this is here. So this is for the Strawberry Moon, I believe it is. So let's get into this. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so this should be the candle box, because last month was a plant. If you didn't see that video, you can check it out in the cards. Okay, we've got our box. And we've got our candle. Yeet! Ooh. Oh, that smells great. Smells very floral. Oh, 10 points. Strawberry Moon. Blah, 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 blah. So indulge in the finer things during this moon, not only the physical, but the emotional and spiritual as well. Take time to be sweet to yourself and those around you while remaining true to your intentions. So yeah, that's gonna help me. The candle is Brighter Days. Sounds delicious. They say for a meditation tip, take a moment to refresh your mind in your meditation practice, relying on the invigorating scents that flow from this candle. Picture yourself picking homegrown herbs, walking through a pastoral secret garden, intentionally picking up what you need and what is good for you. That's actually really cool. All right, so this month's package, the crystal that we're getting is Indigo Gabbro. Whoa. Oh, this one's got like little flecks of purple and stuff in it. Wow, that's really cool. So, beautiful combination stone, also known as Mystic Merlinite, is full of depth. It lives up to its mythological namesake as its cloudy, glittering surface indicates a magical essence. Use this stone as an escape from the worries of our modern times. Allow it to free your consciousness, opening you up to more relaxation and less worry. Use it during your meditation practice or as you're getting ready to rest for a boost to your aura. That's super pretty. So mine's like gray, black, sparkly with like some other colors. That's really cool. This is a bamboo soap dish. This artisanal dish is the perfect way to keep your soaps fresh and off the counter. Its beautiful minimalistic design will add a sense of elevation to any bathroom or kitchen space. This dish is form and function at its finest. Preserve your bar of soap by storing it in this bamboo dish. The pliant wood keeps it from becoming dried out or too watery, while ensuring that even the most well-used bars look neat and tidy. We just got these new Dr. Squash bars of soap to try out. So I wonder if the square would fit in there, actually. I don't know. There's that. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then we have a bamboo brush. So this gentle brush fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, allowing you to exfoliate and awaken your skin in comfort. Dry brushing before you bathe has numerous benefits, including more vibrant, dewy skin and an increase in blood flow and circulation. Which is awesome because I have like chicken skin or strawberry skin or whatever the heck you want to call it, you know, stuff. So put this in your hand. It's actually kind of nice. I like that. Very cool. Bamboo. And the bar of soap. We got strawberry poppy seed cleansing soap. Very nice. Ooh, it's vegan. Very cool. It's good for 24 months. So vegan, exfoliating, and hydrating bar is perfect for indulging in some extra self-care this season. The strawberry scent is subtly sweet, and the poppy seeds remove impurities by providing a gentle scrub. Sounds good. Let's look at it. Let's just break the box, why don't we? Wow, that's actually really floral. So it looks like they're trying to tell me to take a bath and to relax. Well, there you have it, the Strawberry Moon. So we've got our bamboo brush, our soap holder, the poppy seed strawberry cleansing bar that they gave us this month, the Indigo Gabbro, I hope I'm saying that right, Indigo Gabbro stone, and then Brighter Days candle, which I think I like this candle scent more than the first one I got. So I'm actually quite pleased with this box. If you're interested in doing the monthly deal as well, you can check out lunarly.com. This is month 3 of the 6-month subscription that I bought. You do pay for the subscriptions up front, so just keep that in mind, but typically they're around $50 each. So if you feel like here that this is $50 worth and you're interested in this type of stuff, then I suggest you give them a try. I am actually quite pleased with all the purchases that I've gotten to add a couple of stones to my sets and a little bit of self-care and, you know, something that I can do that's nice for just me to help me kind of relax and de-stress, and I think it's awesome. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you in my next video.